Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to dive into the next set of words in this series. Let's get started. Word: repulse. Spelling: R-E-P-U-L-S-E. Meaning: to drive back, repel, as an attack, to repel with discourtesy, coldness, indifference, etc., refuse, reject, or rebuff. Synonyms: repel, refuse, reject. Antonyms: attract, welcome, accept. Usage: the army repulsed the enemy's attack. She was repulsed by his rude behavior. Word: reputable. Spelling: R-E-P-U-T-A-B-L-E. Meaning: having a good reputation, respected and trusted. Synonyms: respected, trustworthy, reliable. Antonyms: disreputable, untrustworthy, unreliable. Usage: the company is known for its reputable business practices. She is a reputable scholar in her field. Word: requisition. Spelling: R-E-Q-U-I-S-I-T-I-O-N. Meaning: a formal written order, request, or application, as for equipment or tools, the fact or condition of being demanded for service or use. Synonyms: demand, request, order. Antonyms: supply, offer, refusal. Usage: the military sent a requisition for more supplies. The company submitted a requisition for new equipment. Word: rescind. Spelling: R-E-S-C-I-N-D. Meaning: to officially withdraw or cancel something, such as a law or agreement. Synonyms: annul, cancel, repeal. Antonyms: enact, establish, confirm. Usage: the government rescinded the controversial law. The company rescinded the contract due to unforeseen circumstances. Word: reservoir. Spelling: R-E-S-E-R-V-O-I-R. Meaning: a natural or artificial place where water is collected and stored for use. A large quantity of something available for use when needed. Synonyms: store, stock, source. Antonyms: drain, depletion, scarcity. Usage: the reservoir provides water for the entire city. The company has a reservoir of talented employees. Word: resolve. Spelling: R-E-S-O-L-V-E. Meaning: to determine or decide firmly, to settle or solve a problem or dispute. Synonyms: decide, determine, settle. Antonyms: hesitate, waver, doubt. Usage: she resolved to finish her project by the end of the week. The committee resolved the dispute after hours of negotiation. Word: respite. Spelling: R-E-S-P-I-T-E. Meaning: a break or pause from something difficult or unpleasant, a temporary relief or reprieve. Synonyms: break, pause, relief. Antonyms: continuation, persistence, prolongation. Usage: the vacation provided a much-needed respite from the stress of work. The judge granted a respite to the defendant to allow for further investigation. Word: resplendent. Spelling: R-E-S-P-L-E-N-D-E-N-T. Meaning: shining brightly, full of splendor, dazzling. Synonyms: splendid, glorious, magnificent. Antonyms: dull, dim, lackluster. Usage: the peacock's plumage was resplendent in the sunlight. The fireworks display was resplendent with colorful explosions. Word: restive. Spelling: R-E-S-T-I-V-E. Meaning: hard to control, unruly, refractory, nervous or impatient under pressure or restraint. Synonyms: unruly, refractory, restless. Antonyms: calm, patient, relaxed. Usage: the restive horse refused to obey its rider. The crowd grew restive as the concert was delayed. Word: retract. Spelling: R-E-T-R-A-C-T. Meaning: to pull or draw back, to withdraw or take back something said or done. Synonyms: withdraw, take back, recant. Antonyms: assert, affirm, maintain. Usage: she retracted her statement after realizing it was incorrect. The company retracted its offer due to unforeseen circumstances. Word: revel. Spelling: R-E-V-E-L. Meaning: to take great pleasure or enjoyment in something, often in a lively or festive manner. Synonyms: delight, enjoy, indulge. Antonyms: abstain, avoid, dislike. Usage: the crowd reveled in the fireworks display on New Year's Eve. She reveled in the praise she received for her outstanding performance. Word. Revere. Spelling, revere. Meaning, to regard with deep respect, love, and awe, venerate. Synonyms, admire, cherish, esteem. Antonyms, despise, disdain, disrespect. Usage. The community reveres the historical figure for his contributions to society. She reveres her grandmother for her wisdom and kindness. Word. Revoke. Spelling, revoke. Meaning, to take back or withdraw, annul, cancel or reverse, rescind or repeal. Synonyms, annul, cancel, countermand. Antonyms, affirm, confirm, endorse. Usage. The government revoked the controversial law after public outcry. The company revoked the employee's access to sensitive information. Word. Rhapsodize. Spelling, rhapsodize. Meaning, to talk or express oneself with poetical enthusiasm, to speak or write in an exaggeratedly enthusiastic or emotional manner. Synonyms, eulogize, extol, laud. Antonyms, criticize, disparage, mock. Usage. The poet rhapsodized about the beauty of nature in her latest work. He rhapsodized about his favorite book, calling it a masterpiece. Word. Ribald. Spelling, ribald. Meaning, coarsely, vulgarly, or lewdly amusing, referring to sexual matters in a rude or irreverent way. Synonyms, bawdy, coarse, crude. Antonyms, chaste, decent, modest. Usage. The comedian's ribald jokes offended some members of the audience. The novel's ribald humor was not suitable for young readers. Word. Rife. Spelling, rife. Meaning, frequently or commonly occurring, widespread. Synonyms, widespread, abundant, plentiful. Antonyms, scarce. Usage. Crime is rife in the slum areas of our cities. Malicious gossip was rife. Word. Ruminate. Spelling, ruminate. Meaning, to think deeply about something. To chew cud. Synonyms, ponder, reflect, meditate. Antonyms, ignore, dismiss. Usage. She spent hours ruminating on her past mistakes. The cow ruminated its food in the field. Word. Ruse. Spelling, ruse. Meaning, a clever or deceptive tactic or strategy used to trick or deceive someone. Synonyms, trick, deception, stratagem. Antonyms, honesty, transparency. Usage. His friendly demeanor was merely a ruse to gain people's trust. The enemy used a ruse to infiltrate our defenses. Word. Saccharine. Spelling, saccharine. Meaning, overly sweet or sentimental, having the qualities of sugar. Synonyms, sweet, sentimental, syrupy. Antonyms, bitter, harsh. Usage. The movie's saccharine ending was overly sentimental. The cake was too saccharine for my taste. Word. Sacrosanct. Spelling, sacrosanct. Meaning, regarded as too important to be criticized or changed, inviolable. Synonyms, inviolable, sacred, hallowed. Antonyms, vulnerable, criticizable. Usage. Weekend rest days were considered sacrosanct. The ancient temple was sacrosanct and could not be disturbed. Word. Sagacity. Spelling, sagacity. Meaning, the quality of being discerning, sound in judgment and farsighted, penetration in judgment, discernment. Synonyms, discernment, clear-sightedness, genius. Antonyms, foolishness, obtuseness, ignorance. Usage. Her sagacity in business matters was renowned. The detective's sagacity helped solve the complex case. Word. Salient. Spelling, salient. Meaning, standing out from the rest, noticeable, conspicuous, prominent. Also, pointing outward, jutting or projecting. Synonyms, spectacular, striking, prominent. Antonyms, re-entrant, unnoticeable, inconspicuous. Usage. The salient points of the argument were highlighted in the summary. The salient feature of the new smartphone is its advanced camera. Word. Salutation. Spelling, salutation. Meaning, a greeting or address, especially at the beginning of a letter. Synonyms: greeting, address, welcome. Antonyms: dismissal, goodbye. Usage: the formal salutation in the letter was followed by a detailed introduction. The casual salutation among friends was a simple hi. Word: salve. Spelling: salve. Meaning: a medicinal ointment or adhesive preparation for external use on wounds and sores. Also, something to soothe wounded pride, etc. Synonyms: ointment, balm, remedy. Antonyms: irritant, harm. Usage: the doctor applied a salve to the injured skin. The apology served as a salve to her hurt feelings. Word: sanctimonious. Spelling: sanctimonious. Meaning: making a hypocritical show of religious devotion, piety, righteousness, etc. Synonyms: hypocritical, self-righteous, pious. Antonyms: sincere, genuine, humble. Usage: his sanctimonious remarks about morality were seen as insincere. The politician's sanctimonious speech was criticized for its hypocrisy. So, what did you think of this video? Let me know in the comments below, and if you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel, Kavi's Brain Boosters, to monitor your daily progress and get the latest updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.